We're very happy this morning at the Jamaica Observer to welcome representatives of the Olympic Association of Jamaica, who must be basking in the greatest glory because of all the recent performances by the athletes of Jamaica, not just making Jamaica very happy, but the rest of the Caribbean for that matter. And by extension, all the fans of Jamaica. Jamaica as a brand, of course, is very well known, and the people of the Olympic Association are certainly to be credited for reinforcing the value of that brand at every opportunity they've had to showcase the very finest of Jamaican talent. We here at the Jamaica Observer are very pleased to have forged a very special relationship with the Olympic Association. And in fact, as we sign today, that relationship has already been enforced by the very special coverage we've been able to deliver of the recent games where Jamaican athletes truly shined. So we're very pleased to welcome the President today. And,
thank you. This partnership is very special to us because we feel that in sport we have a duty and responsibility to not only inform and educate but also enlighten. So it is in that context that we are going to be signing. We will provide the stories, you will inform, both of us will educate, and of course we will enlighten. It is a responsibility that I think we take very seriously because at the Jamaica Olympic Association, by dint of what we do, we deem ourselves to be change makers, innovators, and therefore we have to change the landscape in sport. We have to not only tell of statistics and events, but we also have to telegraph value in the reports that we do. And therefore I'm very confident that the relationship will birth this. I'm absolutely confident that we will be able, by dint of the reports that the Observer will make and the stories that we will give, to change the landscape in sport and accentuate the values in sport and the value of sport.